DIY beauty treatments can be tempting for those seeking convenience or cost savings, but they often come with significant risks that are overlooked. And while some people think they're saving money, the truth is they could be risking far more than they know. Hello, and welcome back to another episode on the Beauty Industry Leaders Podcast. I'm your host, Sammy Kennedy. Today's episode is a little bit different. It's more of a trend/controversial topic, and that is the rise of do-it-yourself beauty treatments and how salons can compete with that. DIY beauty treatments are on the rise, and while some people think they're saving money, the truth is they could be risking far more than they know. Today, we're going to dive into how these DIY trends are impacting salon businesses and why, despite the convenience, salons will always be the gold standard for beauty. DIY beauty treatments can be tempting for those seeking convenience or cost savings, but they often come with significant risks that are overlooked. For instance, at-home brow tinting can easily lead to skin staining or overly dark results due to improper timing or application, requiring professional correction. Similarly, DIY lash lifts pose dangers like lash breakage, chemical burns, and bacterial infections, particularly when unsanitary tools are used. Stick-on eyelash extensions and nails carry their own set of issues, including lash loss, eye irritation, and nail damage from low-quality adhesives. Poor hygiene and adhesion can lead to infections or fungal problems, especially with nails. At-home IPL machines, on the other hand, can result in severe burns, hyperpigmentation, and even eye damage if used without proper knowledge and protection. Box hair dyes are notorious for causing uneven colouring, chemical damage, and allergic reactions due to improper sectioning and the absence of patch tests. Other popular DIY treatments like self-tanning and teeth whitening also pose risks. Self-tanning often leads to uneven streaks or an unnatural orange hue, while overuse of whitening agents can cause tooth sensitivity, gum irritation, and enamel damage. Finally, DIY dermaplaning, if done without the right technique, it can result in cuts, irritation, and breakouts, making the skin more vulnerable to sun damage and overexfoliation. In contrast, professionals are trained to use safe, high-quality products and techniques tailored to individual needs, minimizing these risks and ensuring consistent, long-lasting results. Do-it-yourself beauty is like trying to cut your own hair at home. Sure, you could do it, but the chances of disaster are high. So let's talk about something that's not often discussed, the truth behind DIY beauty product marketing. Now, I'm going to get a little bit controversial here, but it's important for you to hear this. A lot of these DIY beauty kits and at-home treatments are pushed by big brands as a quick fix, affordable solution, but here's the thing. They're not designed to replace professional treatments. These companies are banking on convenience and cost, but at the end of the day, they know their products can't deliver the same level of results you get in a salon. Take lash extensions, for example. The adhesive used in professional salons are medical grade, designed for long-lasting wear and safety around your eyes. Compare that to the over-the-counter adhesive you get with stick-on lashes. It's often weaker, more irritating, and doesn't last nearly as long. Same with at-home IPL machines. Sure, they sound great on paper, but they don't have the power, precision, or safety measures that the professional ones do. You might save a few dollars up front, but the durability and safety just aren't there. That's where your beauty salon comes in. You can use professional-grade products that are tailored to your specific needs, products that deliver results safely and effectively. And it's not just about applying the product. It's about knowing the right technique, the right timing, and the right product for each individual client. That's what sets us as professionals apart from the DIY trend. This is why I strongly believe that education is critical to informing consumers about the difference between choosing DIY as a cheaper alternative over professional beauty services. When you choose to invest in a professional, they won't only get you the results, but they will also personalize the treatment to the client and ensure that they maintain the integrity of health and safety at all times. Now, I know we've been talking a lot about the risks of do-it-yourself beauty treatments, but here's a bright side for salon owners. DIY fails can actually be a huge opportunity for your business. Think of it this way. Every time someone tries a DIY treatment and it goes wrong, that's a chance for your salon to step in as the rescue squad. When DIY beauty treatments fail, clients come running back to professionals for help, and that's where we can shine. For example, you may have a client who came in after trying to color her hair at home using a box dye. Maybe she bought it thinking she'd save some money and achieve that perfect shade she saw on the box. But instead of the rich, even color she was hoping for, she ended up with patchy, uneven results. Roots one shade, ends another. She was mortified, didn't know how to fix it, and thanks to your services, you were able to expertly correct the color, blending the uneven tones, and restoring her hair's health with deep conditioning treatments. By the end of the session, she was beyond relieved and told you she'd never attempt a DIY dye job again. You can really capitalize on this trend by offering specific correction services for DIY mishaps. Think about it. Clients need help fixing botched lash lifts, overprocessed hair color, and patchy tans. Why not position your salon as the go-to place for emergency beauty fixes? Could even put a premium price on it. You can even offer consultations to teach clients what went wrong and how to avoid the same mistakes in the future. This not only turns a DIY failure into a win for your salon, but it also builds trust with clients who realize the value of professional expertise. So let's talk about something that DIY beauty products just can't replicate: the salon experience. Now, we all know that DIY beauty can get the job done, kind of like microwaving a meal. Sure, you'll get something to eat, but does it compare to the luxury of sitting down in a 5-star restaurant? Absolutely not. That's the difference between a quick at-home treatment and a professional salon service. When you're at a salon, it's not just about the treatment itself. It's about the entire experience. It's about walking in and feeling cared for, relaxing while an expert works their magic, and knowing you're in the hands of someone who understands your unique needs. It's personalized, it's indulgent. That's something you just don't get from a DIY kit you ordered online. DIY beauty is like the fast food of the beauty world. Convenient, sure, but where's the luxury, the relaxation, the expertise? Clients are paying for more than just the result. They're paying for the expertise and the overall experience that only a salon can provide. When they come to you, they're getting a professional who tailors each treatment to their specific needs, who knows how to make them feel pampered and leave them with that "I look amazing" confidence. And that's what keeps clients coming back. It's not the result, it's the whole experience. Here's a fresh way of thinking about the DIY beauty trend. What if, instead of fighting it, salons could use it to their advantage? I know it sounds counterintuitive, but hear me out. You can actually tap into the DIY craze by offering DIY enhancement kits for clients to use in between their professional appointments. This way, you can keep them engaged with your salon even when they're doing things at home. For instance, you could create home maintenance kits for lash extensions. Maybe a lash serum and a gentle cleanser to keep those extensions looking fresh between visits, or a mini facial kit for clients who want to maintain their skincare routine at home after a professional treatment. Brow touch-up kits are another great option to keep those brows looking sharp between tinting or shaping sessions. These kits don't replace your services. They enhance them and provide added value for your clients. By offering DIY enhancement kits, you're giving clients a solution they can trust. An at-home option with products you recommend, so they're not just reaching for anything off the drugstore shelf. It keeps them coming back to your salon for the real deal while giving them the tools to maintain their beauty between appointments. You're in control, and that helps maintain a professional standard even when they're doing some things at home. Here's something for salon owners to keep in mind. DIY beauty is a short-term trend, and professional salons are here to stay. I know it might seem like DIY beauty treatments are taking over right now, but think about it this way. DIY beauty is kind of like a fad diet. It promises quick results. It's tempting, but it's not sustainable in the long run. You might see some temporary improvement, but as soon as things start to go wrong, people realize they need professional help to achieve real, lasting results. Just like those trendy diets that everyone can't maintain, DIY beauty treatments may give clients a sense of control or quick fixes at first, but they often lead to inconsistent results or even damage. At-home lash lifts, brow tints, or brow dyes may seem like a good idea at first, but when the color fades unevenly, the lashes start to break, or the skin reacts badly, those clients come running back to professionals. And that's where salons come in. We offer the sustainable, long-term beauty solutions that DIY just can't replicate. So if you're a salon owner feeling the pressure from these DIY trends, don't worry. Clients will always come back to the professionals. Your expertise, your ability to deliver consistent, high-quality results, and your personalized approach are what set you apart. And as more people experience the downsides of DIY, they'll quickly realize that investing in professional care is the only way to get the beauty results they truly want without the hassle or damage. So let's talk about the future of beauty and where salons can really step up by becoming educators and beauty authorities. One of the best ways for salons to retain clients and build long-term trust is by embracing your role as the expert. Clients are often overwhelmed by all the DIY beauty content online, and they need professionals to guide them through what's safe, what works, and what doesn't. This is a huge opportunity for salons to become not just service providers, but educators. Imagine this, using your salon's social media platforms to educate clients on the dangers of certain DIY treatments, like improper use of at-home IPL machines or the risks of box dye. You can host in-salon events or virtual live sessions, walking clients through safe beauty practices and showing them why professional care is worth the investment. For example, you could do a live demo on Instagram showing the correct way to handle a brow tinting session compared to a botched DIY attempt. Or hold Q&A sessions where clients can ask about the risk of at-home treatments and learn about salon solutions. Platforms like Instagram are perfect for this. You can post quick tutorials, beauty tips, or even run live Q&A sessions where you can educate your clients directly. This not only builds trust, but it also shows your audience why they need to turn to professionals for their beauty needs. By positioning yourself as an authority, you're keeping clients engaged and helping them see the real value in choosing salon services over DIY alternatives. Let's get one thing clear. Competing with DIY beauty treatments isn't about lowering your prices to match drugstore kits. It's about showing your clients the value that comes with professional, high-quality services that they just can't achieve at home. DIY might seem cheaper upfront, but it can't compete with the results, safety, and personalization that a professional salon provides. Think about the premium services your salon offers. Things like advanced skincare treatments using high-end products, customized lash extensions tailored to each client's natural lashes, or personalized IPL treatments. These are services that require expert knowledge, professional-grade tools, and most importantly, personalization. No at-home kit can match the level of care and precision that a salon can. When clients understand that, they'll realize the value they're getting isn't just in the service. It's in the experience and the results. Instead of feeling pressured to lower your prices to compete with them, I want you to focus on raising the standard. Highlight the premium experience you offer. For instance, during a facial treatment, educate your client on how the products are tailored to their skin type and needs. Or when applying lash extensions, show them how the custom styling fits their eye shape and lifestyle, which is something that no stick-on lashes can replicate. By emphasizing quality, you position your salon as the best place for serious, long-lasting beauty care. Salons need to raise the bar, not lower their prices to compete with DIY. Focus on offering exceptional quality and personalized experience. Trust me, Clients will choose premium results over a quick fix every time when they see the difference. So let's raise the standard together and set your salon apart from the rest. DIY beauty may be trending, but at the end of the day, nothing beats the results, experience, and safety of professional care. Salons will always be the gold standard, and with the right strategy, you can turn the DIY trend into an advantage for your business. Thanks for joining me on today's episode of the Beauty Industry Leaders Podcast. If you're ready to maximize your growth, impact, and profits without the overwhelm and burnout, then I've got something for you. Our Beauty Industry Leaders School community. This is your go-to space for beauty business owners who want to scale up without sacrificing their well-being. Inside, you'll get access to exclusive strategies, expert guidance, and a supportive network to help you stay on track and reach your goals. If you want to join a community of like-minded pros who are leveling up their businesses and making real changes, come and be a part of the Beauty Industry Leaders School community. Let's make your business thrive without burning out. Check the link in the show notes to join us today.
Audience exclusive.